guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Surbhi and today I am very excited. You have no idea about my excitement because I have purchased something that I wanted for years now. So I have purchased my first ever Kindle. This is certified refurbished Amazon 2022 edition Kindle and I am so glad I have purchased it. I wanted it from years, and why I purchased this because I have a habit of reading on Kindle app, like more of ebooks than paperbacks, and I have this habit from my college itself, and it's been very long that I have been reading on phone through Kindle apps or Playbook apps. So it was training my eye, right? Like I am on phone right now and like on laptop, so my screen time is quite high. So it was affecting my eyes. So that's why I have took this decision to purchase a Kindle, and I'm very excited for it. I wanted it from a very long time because yes, when you are a reader you always want a Kindle. So yeah, here is my first Kindle and let's unbox it. So I have purchased a certified refurbished Kindle 2022 edition because first of all, the basic Kindle, I always wanted basic Kindle, not Paperwhite, not OSS, because I feel that they are priced very high. Secondly, basic was affordable and it was fulfilling all my needs, like reading on Kindle, reading ebooks, and feeling like I'm reading a paperback. So I had this need and I was searching for this Kindle from quite a long time. Like I was checking Amazon daily and I have checked everywhere, whether it is Chroma, Reliance, Tech, Digital, whatever it is. I was checking every day and I couldn't find it because it is unavailable, and now the color soft is there, like the new edition of Kindle. So there is no Kindle available anywhere. So that's why I have purchased this. I just like, it is again out of stock on Amazon, but I was lucky enough to find it and I got it for like 8,000 rupees. Yes, it retails for 7,999. एक रुपए से मैं ताजमहल नहीं बनाने वाली. That's why I said 8,000 rupees. Usually Kindle Basic retails for 9,999 rupees, and yes, I got a discount of 2,000 rupees, which is a great deal for me because it is in great condition. There is no scratch mark. Battery is perfect. Like I have used it. Obviously, it's been one day that I have used it and I quite liked it. The battery backup is great. Those who want to purchase this Kindle, I just want to any Kindle for that matter. So the battery life shown on the Amazon portal or anywhere, it shows 6 week. If you are reading 1 hour and it has like Wi-Fi is off and the brightness is on the lower sides, that is the way they last up to 6 weeks. But if you are using a greater light, like the brightness is high on 20, and if you are using like Wi-Fi to read it, then Wi-Fi is not necessary, it is just there to download books or purchase books. But if you are reading through Wi-Fi, then yes, battery will drain quite often and you have to charge it like 2 to 3 days. So if you are willing to purchase it and you regret that battery backup is not that high, because it has certain condition to use. If you are reading 4 to 5 hours on this Kindle and with brightness 18 to 19 and with Wi-Fi on, it will last 2 days maximum, not more than that. So think wisely and then purchase this item, and I loved it. This is why I don't know why Kindle is selling this as a refurbished one, because I find no problem in this one. If you want to purchase Kindle certified products, I would say go for it, because this refurbished product has no issues at all. I was able to use it very smoothly. So I think this is my precious position right now, because I love this, because I read too much on Kindle and I have hell lot of ebooks with me. I have purchased through Kindle Unlimited and Prime Reading, so I have many books that I can read on this Kindle. And instead of buying a paperback, this is like money saver option, I would say. I love this purchase. Let me know in the comments if you have Kindle, or what do you think about Kindles, whether you should read on Kindles or have paperbacks for that matter. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel because it is completely free, just like the books on Prime Reading. So what are you doing? Just subscribe. And thank you for watching this. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.